Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Everyday English. I'm your teacher, Miss Emmy. Today's letter is D, the fourth letter in the alphabet. Continuing on with our alphabet series, we'll learn the sounds it makes, some useful D words, and how to use them in simple sentences. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow along with our alphabet series and don't miss out on other lessons. And check out the links in the bio for more tools to help you learn faster. Let's get started. The letter D makes the sound D, like in dog. Let's say it together. D, D, dog. Again, D, D, drum. Let's learn some easy words that begin with D. Dog. The dog is happy. Door. Open the door, please. Duck. The duck is in the water. Desk. I sit at my desk. Drum. He plays the drum. Repeat after me. Dog, door, duck, desk, drum. Well done. Some more D words are day. Today is a good day. Dress. She wears a red dress. Dinner. We eat dinner at 6. Doll. The child has a doll. Donut. I love sweet donuts. Now repeat. Day, dress, dinner, doll, donut. Let's say some short sentences together. Ready? The dog is at the door. The duck swims in the lake. I eat dinner at the desk. She has a doll and a donut. The drum is loud. Say them again with me slowly. The dog is at the door. The duck swims in the lake. I eat dinner at the desk. She has a doll and a donut. The drum is loud. Now you try. I'll show you the word and you say it out loud. Dog, dog. Door, door. Duck, duck. Dinner, dinner. Drum, drum. Can you make your own sentence with a D word? Think of one and say it now. Don't forget to comment your sentence down below and check what other people came up with. Today we learned the letter D, how to say it, and lots of new words. Keep practicing every day and speak out loud as much as you can. Remember to like and subscribe and check the bio for fun worksheets and tools to help you keep learning. See you next time for the letter E.